And if it's a good day, it's a good day, and if not, we just close up, and it's okay.
So the snow is so fluffy, it's like pushing air.
This is like the perfect time to shovel.
I know, it's like light.
We made it! You know that saying, I'm glad I don't look like what I've been through? Right now, I'm glad I don't look like what I feel like. Because I feel like crap. I've had this like crane in my neck for the past couple of days, and it's been pretty mild. I went to get a massage, and I was like, I feel like it's getting kind of worse after the massage, but again, not as bad. Today I woke up and I could not move. Of course, the day that I'm like opening the shop, I wake up, I can't move, I'm like about to cry in the bed. Then I finally like slowly crawl myself out of bed and like it was like gymnastics, like trying to get out without twisting my back. And I go into like a cold sweat. I'm like sweating. My vision is blurry. Like it's just a whole thing. So I was like, I can't. I was in the bathroom trying to take a shower, and I was like, I actually can't. Like I'm going to faint or fall or something. So I went and laid in the couch a little bit, just with like a straight back, and finally was able to like get myself in the shower, and the heat like really kind of helped a little bit, so I'm feeling a little bit better. But holy crap, that was crazy. Not the best way to start the day, but we are here at the shop today. It's the first snowstorm, like the real storm of the season, and we decided to just open the shop because we're nearby and we were gonna stay home anyways, so it's just like, let's just open the shop and like make a little content. Hopefully some people come in to get coffee, and Uber Eats and DoorDash is still available, so people might be ordering that. So we're just gonna hang out here today and give you a little day in the life at the shop. So right now I just got here, I'm settling in, and Kevin is shoveling the front. So we're just going to do that. I'm gonna show you him shoveling. Hold on. Look at him go. Some would say it's very convenient that I have a bad back today. But I showed up, I made it, and he was like, you know, take your time if you really don't want to, like, just stay home. And I was like, no, it's okay. Like, I'll, you know, move slowly and take my time, but I'll make my way over. But my crazy mind, I'm like, of course you wake up not feeling great on a snow day, and it just makes me feel frustrated because I'm usually like ready to go, but it is what it is. You gotta listen to your body and all that. So we're here, but I'm gonna take it slow today. I'm gonna take it easy.
So the snow is so fluffy, it's like pushing air. So it's fun.
Let me see.
Here, get some.
No, on my back.
You wanna push?
Maybe one time.
One hand.
Just one time. No gloves. No gloves, nothing.
Where's your glove?
Hey, that's fun.
I told you. It's so fluffy.
This is like the perfect time to shovel.
I know, it's like light before it gets heavy.
Ah, I'm going back.
Go.
Let's play some music. need some coffee. I think I see customers. Where are you guys driving from?
We went to PA to like Poconos.
Okay.
Yeah, because we usually I live right here.
Was it already snowy up there?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was really bad.
Yeah.
Oh, I meant to ask. The dulce de leche latte, is that can that be cold or it has to just be hot?
No, it could be cold.
Can I do it cold?
Yeah. You want it large?
The Yeah, that's
small?
fine then.
This one?
That's fine, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but that was mostly my special. I have not any. Yeah.
Two locals.
I didn't know. I looked at the yeah. I think you can say we left at like 5. Like at 5. Say that he didn't want to turn it off because there's probably likable things to start it off.
Yeah. So I think we should just
So I have the coconut milk. It was like up to here. Do you want me to top it off with like another milk or just leave it like this? Because I ran out. Yeah. So I could do like a little bit of like oat.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
So yeah.
See, people come. People come.
Listen, if you open,
People show up.
will come in. Some people still gotta go to work.
I think that's probably one of the best parts of like actually being a barista and know how to make coffee. Like we told the staff, stay home. It's okay. We're gonna open, and we're just here slinging drinks. Right?
That's it.
That's it. And if it's a good day, it's a good day. And if not, we just close up, and it's okay. It's literally fine.
Our biggest expense is staff. So, yeah, if we don't sell everything today, it's fine. We don't really lose the money. Might just lose money on some pastries, but it's okay.
Oh yeah.
Like individually. Because they got a lot of comments where
Yeah.
but I responded, like, I answered the question that I can make videos or something.
It's literally just marketing. And like a good idea, yeah, but like he had this one sponge, and then the marketing is like, oh, scrub daddy, and it has an engineering where you put hot water, it's soft, cold water, it gets cold. Okay, hard, like that's cool. But then everything else, like scrub mommy, scrub baby, girl daddy, like all this crazy shit. It has a whole line.
And the videos of them like cleaning spoons
Oh
and
my
stuff,
God.
putting it in the scrub daddy's mouth. I'm like, yeah, that's a
Exactly.
little, it's crazy.
Like it's nuts. The people love it. Alright, it is 12:16. We served about, what, how many customers would you say? Like 40?
35 or so.
35.
It was big orders, so.
Big orders, big online orders. We sold, we still have one online order sitting on the counter from 9:08 in the morning. Nobody came to pick it up. We sold a good amount of pastries, and we had some people come and hang out at the shop. I'm blanketed because I'm so cold, but I would say it was good. I really like the fact that like we have the ability to just come and play it by ear, and then people were so grateful that we were here. So I really enjoy like being able to open, because people were like walking in the snow and then they came in and it's like, oh my god, you guys are open. Like I just imagine them walking here and then us being closed, and that would just make me sad. We had like moms coming with their babies, just people coming and playing games. So I'm just like grateful that we opened. It is starting to come down pretty heavily right now, so we're probably gonna head home. We usually close at 3 on Sundays, but it's about 12 o'clock. So I think we're gonna eat. Kevin went and got lunch for us. We're gonna eat that and then just go home. My back is still feeling pretty sore and weird, and I think being cold and like being tense is not helping. We have the heat on, of course, but like the door keeps opening and closing, so it's hard to keep the heat in. So we're just gonna eat our lunch and then probably head home, and then just have like a chill snow day, like watch some movies, play with the cats. Oh, mobile order just came in. But yeah, I think we're just gonna close out the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I'm gonna try to post more videos just showing you the life of a small business owner. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Stay warm. Beans, rice, burrito, and this is What'd you get, chicken or steak?
Chicken, steak, and shrimp.
Chicken, steak, and shrimp?